Hi everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to update your main menu on your Mighty Sites website. So the first thing that you'll want to do is go here to Update section, navigate over to the Update menu button, and now you can do all sorts of things to customize your main navigation menu. So first, if you want to change how it links, you just click on that little pencil there. I'll show you again. And that's going to bring you into edit the existing menu item. So let's just say you want this to link out to a different action or link to a different section of the website or move to link out to a different website altogether. You can just simply click there to edit any of those and link to a new place. Now, if you want to add a menu item, you go over here and you type in what you want to add. So let's just say I want to add a link that links to a different website, say outbound link. Now I just put in the outbound link. I can select whatever website I want to and paste that in there, confirm it, add it to the menu, and now I've got a new menu item. So I need to click on Save Menu Updates, and now you'll see outbound link. So if I'd actually pasted a link there, now that would link to a new place on the web. I could also add a new link that goes somewhere else on the website, or I could add a link that automatically calls me, or a link that goes to my social media accounts. You can add all sorts of different links there. Now, if you decide you don't want that, there's a little trash can here, super easy. Click on the trash can, save menu, and now that outbound link is gone from my main navigation. The other thing I can do when I update my menu is I can go over here and I can reorder things. So let's just say that I decide, well, I don't really want About Us to be first. I'd rather have it be last. I can move it just like that, save the menu, and now the About is the last link there. So it's really easy. You just click on Update section, move to the Update menu. You can reorder these, you can edit them, you can delete them, or you can add new menu items right here using this simple main menu navigation editing tool. And that's it. That's how you edit your main menu using Mighty Sites.